Look at these beautiful slices of salmon sashimi. Meron ding unlimited fresh and baked oysters at itong bagong nagtitrending nilang cheese coin that has a very satisfying cheese pool. Dito ulit tayo sa Atlantica Oyster Bar located sa may Friendship Highway katabing-katabi ng Sky Garden. Since madalas ko naman silang pinopost, alam nyo na dito talaga ako nagpupunta pag nagka-crave ako ng fresh oysters. For today, 6-piece platter lang yung in-order ko. Pero kung gusto mo ng unlimited, everyday magmula 3 p.m. hanggang 5 p.m. for only 700 pesos you get to enjoy unlimited fresh and baked oysters. And if I'm not mistaken, parang sila lang yata yung may ganitong unlimited oyster deal sa buong Angeles City. Yung perfect match na drink dyan ay itong parang lemonade na merong Yakult, asim kilig at its finest, and it helps na ma-cleanse yung palate mo after kumain ng mga oysters. Apart from the oysters though, meron pa tayong ibang titikman lalo na yung mga bago sa menu nila. Ito ang lahat ng order natin at ngayon unahin na natin habang mainit-init pa itong cheese coin. Lately, ito yung nagte-trending sa mga bagong products nila. Parang pancake batter yung nasa labas and it has a very stretchy cheese on the inside. Super satisfying to, perfect sa mga mahilig sa cheese katulad ko. Isunod naman natin itong dynamite na merong kasamang mayo-based dipping sauce. Ang sarap ng anghang niya and then very meaty ground pork yung nasa loob nito. Perfect siyang appetizer or pwede mo ring ulamin. Etong mga soft shell tacos nila, bago rin yan sa menu. Etong una ay yung bang bang shrimp. So this is a breaded and crispy fried shrimp na coated in spicy mayo. It is so good. I'm loving the textures and flavors. Ito naman yung oyster sisig tacos. Breaded and crispy fried oysters yan, coated in Japanese mayo and other spices. Panalo itong dalawang tacos nila. Must try yan pag nagpunta kayo dito. Although kung gusto mo naman, you can also order yung oyster sisig na pwedeng ulamin sa rice. Sa mga rice bowl naman nila, bago rin itong sweet and sour fish. Each piece of that crispy fried fish is coated in their sticky sweet and sour sauce. And then merong pop of freshness from the green and red bell peppers and onions. After that, eto naman yung kanilang poke bowl. It's white rice served with raw salmon and tuna, merong vegetables, nori strips, and Japanese mayo. It's like eating sushi pero nasa rice bowl. Magaling din silang mag-mix ng cocktails dito. Eto yung Pink Paradise, that's super picture perfect, tapos may kasama pang mixed berries. Pagkatapos niyan, eto na yung salmon sashimi na ang lalaki ng slices. They're super fresh, it just melts in your mouth, tapos lalagyan mo pa ng lemon and wasabi. Sobrang happy ko sa mga sashimi na to at dun sa oysters kanina, craving satisfied talaga. By the way, available din pala sila sa GrabFood and Food Panda, open daily from 12 noon up to 12 midnight, at meron ding parking lot. Pagdating naman sa dessert, alam nyo na rin yan, palagi kong ino-order itong Bananarama. It's that sticky and caramelized turon na isa-serve nila ng sobrang init tapos may kasamang ice cream. Every bite is really delightful, pero kung mas trip mo naman yung mangga, meron din sila nitong mango tapioca. That was definitely another satisfying meal with Atlantica Oyster Bar. At kung hindi nyo pa sila nasusubukan, nako, ano pang hinihintay nyo?